Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to the place where we delve into the rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Today, we're setting off on an enlightening journey, illuminating the Festival of Lights, Diwali. Before start the video, if you are new in this channel and also like Diwali, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. We'll peel back the layers of this vibrant celebration, revealing why Hindus globally revel in this joyous occasion. But before we delve deeper, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our cultural explorations. Now, let's get started. To truly understand Diwali, we need to step back in time. Diwali's story begins in the rich and vibrant history of ancient India, where it has its deep-seated roots. The festival is intertwined with numerous historical and mythological tales that have been passed down through generations. One of the most prominent narratives is the triumphant return of Lord Rama to his kingdom, Ayodhya, after a 14-year exile and a heroic victory over the demon king Ravana. The jubilant citizens of Ayodhya illuminated the entire city with rows of clay lamps, rejoicing the return of their beloved king. This event is believed to have marked the first celebration of Diwali, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness, a theme that resonates with Diwali celebrations even today. The people of Ayodhya lit lamps to welcome him, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. Diwali is not just a historical celebration, it holds profound religious significance. It's a festival that goes beyond the surface, delving into the depths of spiritual symbolism. The festival underscores the Hindu philosophy of Satyameva Jayate, meaning truth alone triumphs. It's a day that celebrates the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. At the heart of this spiritual celebration is the worship of Goddess Lakshmi, the embodiment of wealth, prosperity, and abundance in Hindu mythology. On the night of Diwali, people illuminate their homes with lamps and candles, creating a pathway for the goddess to enter and bless their homes. Prayers and rituals are performed to invite her grace, fostering an environment of gratitude, generosity, and abundance. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, is also worshipped during Diwali to seek her blessings for a prosperous year ahead. The celebration of Diwali involves a variety of traditions and rituals. It's an occasion when families across the globe come together in a grand celebration of light and positivity. The festivities commence with a thorough cleaning of the house, symbolizing the removal of negativity and the welcoming of positive energy. Homes are then adorned with colorful rangoli patterns and lit with oil lamps known as diyas, creating an enchanting spectacle of light and color. As the day unfolds, the sound of fireworks fills the air, signifying the victory of light over darkness. Amidst the lively atmosphere, families exchange gifts and share sumptuous festive meals, further fostering bonds of love and fraternity. The day culminates with a special prayer to Goddess Lakshmi, inviting prosperity and wealth into the home. Lighting lamps, bursting fireworks, exchanging gifts, and preparing special festive meals are all integral parts of Diwali festivities. One of the beautiful aspects of Diwali is its ability to transcend regional and cultural boundaries. This festival of lights weaves a colorful tapestry across the globe, shining in the hearts of millions regardless of their location or cultural background. While the stories and customs may vary, the spirit of Diwali remains the same. It's a time of unity, a time when communities come together, not just to celebrate, but to share the values of love, joy, and the triumph of light. In today's fast-paced world, Diwali has evolved to include modern elements. The essence of the festival, the triumph of light over darkness, remains steadfast, yet the manner of celebration has adapted to the rhythm of contemporary life. From the digital exchange of wishes and virtual gatherings, to the grandeur of community events and cultural programs, Diwali is a testament to the seamless blend of tradition and innovation. The cities are awash with vibrant light displays, pushing the boundaries of creativity and technology. In schools, children engage in creative projects to learn about and celebrate Diwali, fostering a spirit of cultural understanding from a young age. Even the simple act of lighting a lamp has seen a transformation, with many opting for electric diyas and LED lights as a sustainable alternative. Despite these modern twists, the heart of Diwali remains unaltered. The festival serves as a reminder to cherish our cultural heritage while embracing the present. And there you have it, the fascinating tapestry of Diwali, a celebration that goes beyond the surface, weaving together history, religion, and tradition. We've journeyed through time, delved into religious significance, experienced the rich rituals, and witnessed the unity and diversity. We've also seen how Diwali has adapted to the modern world, yet retained its essence. If this exploration piqued your curiosity, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the diversity around you.